Hello students, in this video we are going to study NEET previous year questions from the chapter gravitations. So first question from NEET 2020, two particles of masses 5 kg and 10 kg respectively are attached to the two ends of rigid rod of length 1 meter with negligible mass. So here two particles are there. The masses of two particles, one is 5 kg and another one is 10 kg respectively. These two particles are attached to ends of the rigid rod. Okay, the length of the rigid rod is 1 meter. The rod is negligible mass. The center of mass of system from the 5 kg particle is nearly at a distance of, we are going to find center of the mass that is near to the 5 kg particle. What is the center of mass? Distance. Here two particles, this is the first particle, this is the second particle. One is 5 kg, another one is 10 kg. These two particles are attached to a rigid rod at two ends. So this is a rigid rod. We are attaching ends of the rigid rod, 5 kg and 10 kg particles. So length of the rigid rod is 1 meter. The rod have negligible mass. The center of the mass of system is near to the 5 kg object. So this is the center of mass that is near to 5 kg object. We are going to find the distance from center of mass to object. Okay, I am taking, for suppose this is the distance s. Total length of the rod is 1 meter. What about this distance? 1 minus x. Okay, total distance is 1 meter. The center of mass to 5 kg object is x meter. So what about the remaining distance? 1 minus x. So here we are going to find the x value. So here 5 kg mass of the object, distance is x. So 5x, which is equal to 1 minus x into 10 kg. 1 minus x into 10 kg. Okay. So 5x equal to 10 minus 10x. So here 5x, 10x come to this side. 5x plus 10x equal to 10. So its value is 15. X equal to 10. X equal to 10 by 15. Okay. How many times gets cancel? 5 2s, 5 3s. So x value 2 by 3. So 0.67, that is meters or centimeters. So this is in meter, but in options centimeters are given. So this meter is converted into centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So x equal to 0.67 into 100 centimeter equal to 67 centimeter. That is the answer. Okay. So here distance is 67 centimeter. So the distance between 5 kg object to center of mass distance is 67 centimeter. See the options. Option A is 80 centimeter. Option C is 33 centimeter. Option C is 50 centimeter. Option D is 67 centimeter. So correct option is D, 67 centimeter. Suppose in case of meter 0.67 meter. In case of centimeter 67 centimeter. Next question. from NEET 2019. A body weighs 200 Newton on the surface of the earth. So one object is there, the weight of that object is 200 Newton surface of the earth. If the object is placed on surface of the earth, its weight is 200 Newton. How much will it weight halfway down to the center of the earth? This is a earth. Okay. A body is placed surface of the earth. This is the surface of the earth. When you place the object surface of the earth, it has weight is 200 Newton. When you place this object center of the earth means here. Okay, center of the earth, what is weight value? Means how much weight will be decreases. Okay, first of all, weight W equal to mg formula. So given value is 200 Newton. It is at on surface of earth. Okay, when this object is placed center of earth, it means it is moving inside the earth. That is nothing but depth. So formula is m into gd. Mass of the earth is remains constant, but gravity value is changes. So find that value. Okay, I am doing W by W. WD means mgd formula. W means mg. So mass will be gets the cancel. Here gd means gravity depth. Here gravity depth formula gd equal to gravity depth formula g into 1 minus d by r. Substitute in case of gd, g into 1 minus d by r by g. So gg is also gets the cancel. What about remaining value? 1 minus d by r. This is the depth. So depth equal to formula radius by 2. So d equal to r by 2. Substitute that value 1 minus, in case of d, r by 2 into 1 by r. R will be gets the cancel. 1 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. It is the value of W by WD by D. So WD equal to W into 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Substitute W value. W value is 200 Newton. So 200 into 1 by 2. How many times gets the cancel? 1 time 100 value. WD equal to 100 Newton. So when the object is placed center of the earth, so weight of that object is decreases, but mass is not changes. But weight of the object is changes. So 200 Newton when the object is placed to surface, 200 Newton. Same object will move center of earth. So object weight will be 100 Newton. Why? Because the weight is decreases. So weight formula W equal to mg. Here mass is remains constant, but gravity is changes. If the place of the object is changes, so gravity value is changes. That's why weight of the object is decrease, that is 100 Newton. So see the options. Option A 150 Newton, option B 200 Newton, option C 250 Newton, option D 100 Newton. So answer is 100 Newton. When the object is moved center of the earth, so its weight will be decreases. Okay, but mass is remains constant. That is the answer. Next question from NEET 2019. The work done to raise a mass m from the surface of earth to height. Okay, wanted from earth surface to height h. So at this situation, which is equal to radius of the earth, which is equal to means height of that value is equal to radius of the earth. Okay, this is the earth. Okay, when I am lifting an object, this is a object, it has mass m, that is lifting from earth surface to height h. Here already given that in question, the height which is equal to radius of the earth. So radius of the earth is r, so its radius is r. Okay, height is equal to radius of the earth, that is already given in question. In this situation, find the work done. So work done, W equal to change in potential energy. Okay, so potential energy formula, so potential energy equal to minus G capital M small m by R plus H, that is the formula of potential energy. So change in potential energy means we are going to find the potential energy at height, means at this point, minus potential energy on surface of the earth, means here we are going to find the potential energy this point and this point, that is called work done. So apply the potential energy formula, minus G capital M is the mass of the earth and small m is the mass of that object by R is the radius of the earth and height h equal to R, that is the potential energy at height minus potential energy formula, already here minus G capital M small m by, here potential energy is only on surface, that's why I am taking the R, only R, because there is no height. And here radius of the earth value, we know that already 6400 kilometer. So when you compare the radius of the earth to height, height value is very negligible compared to radius of the earth. So radius of the earth is larger value compared to height, that's why I am taking the R. Okay, so minus G capital M small m by 2R, minus of minus plus G capital M small m by R. Here common terms, G capital M small m by R is the common term. G capital M small m by R minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, work done, W equal to G capital M small m by 1 by 2 plus R. So this value minus 1 by 2 plus 1, here value is 1 by 2. So W equal to G capital M small m by R into 1 by 2. We know that already formula, G capital M equal to G R square. Okay, so in case of G capital M, we can write g r square. So in case of g capital M, I am going to write the g r square into small m by r into 1 by 2. Here r gets the cancel. So total value m g r by 2, mgr by 2. This is the answer. See the options. So option A is mgr, option B is 2 mgr, option C is 1 by 2 mgr, option D is 3 by 2 mgr. So answer is 1 by 2 mgr, option C is correct. Next question from NEET 2018. The kinetic energies of a planet in an elliptical orbit about the Sun at positions A, B, C are Ka, Kb and Kc respectively. Here kinetic energies of a planet. Kinetic energy of a planet means planet is rotation, okay, or revolving. Planet is revolving in elliptical orbit. It has kinetic energy. So it is revolving around the Sun. The AC is the major axis and SP is perpendicular to AC at the position of the Sun as shown in the figure. This is the figure. Here this is the orbit of the revolving planet. So when a planet is revolving in orbit, it possesses kinetic energy. Okay, the Sun is placed at point S. Okay, the planet at position A possesses the kinetic energy is Ka. The planet at B, the kinetic energy possessed by the planet Kb, and the planet at C, the kinetic energy is possessed by Kc. Okay, but Sun is at S point. Okay, so here we are going to find the relation between Ka, Kb, Kc. Kinetic energy Ka, kinetic energy Kb and kinetic energy Kc. First I am taking the planet at position A. Okay, planet is at position A, Sun is at position S. So this is the planet position, this is the Sun position. So observe here, Sun and planet are close together. At position A, Sun and planet are closed together. Okay, so at this point planet has high velocity. Okay, so what about here kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is Ka. What is the formula? Of m v square. So at point A, velocity of the planet is increases. So what about the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is also increases. So Ka is directly proportional to V. So velocity is increases. So kinetic energy is also increases. So Ka is more at point A. So the planet at position A, it possesses kinetic energy is more because velocity is more. So kinetic energy is automatically more. So at this point the planet has high velocity, kinetic energy is also more. Now I am taking at point C. At point C, observe that this is the position of the planet, this is the position of the Sun. So what about the distance here? Distance is very large. At position C, Sun, planet have large distance. Okay, at point C, planet has low velocity. velocity is low. What about the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is Kc. So Kc is directly proportional to V. So velocity is decreases, kinetic energy is also decreases. So velocity is low, kinetic energy is also low. Kc is low. So kinetic energy at point C is low. So the planet at position A has maximum kinetic energy. The planet at C has minimum kinetic energy. What about the at position B? It is between points A and C. So kinetic energy is also between at position A and position C. So at a point B, kinetic energy of the planet is between Ka and Kc. At position B, the kinetic energy of planet between Ka and Kc. Okay. So Ka has maximum, Kb has minimum. So between the value Kb. So relation between Ka, Kb, Kc. What we write? So relation is Ka, Kb, Kc has Ka has high kinetic energy, Kc has low kinetic energy. At point B, kinetic energy is between K and Kc. So see the options. Option A is correct answer. Next question from NEET 2018. If the mass of the sun are 10 times smaller and the universal gravitational constant were 10 times larger in magnitude. So here mass of the sun were 10 times smaller and the gravitational constant were 10 times larger in magnitude. Which of the following not correct? Option is raindrops will fall faster, walking on the ground would be becomes more difficult, and time period of the simple pendulum on the earth would be decreases. G on the earth will not change. These are the options. First, what is the formula of the G? Okay, G equal to G capital M by R square. Okay, that is the formula. If suppose universal gravitational constant, okay, universal gravitation value is increases, what happened? G is also increases because G and universal gravitational constant both are directly proportional, and also mass is also directly proportional. Suppose mass is increases, gravity increases, so universal gravitational value is increases, G is also increases. So G and M are directly proportional to gravitation. Due to gravitation, what happened? Raindrops will be fall faster. That is correct. If the gravitational force is increases, raindrops will fall faster. Next, walking on the ground would become more difficult. Suppose G is increases, so gravitational force increases, what happened? Walking on the ground would become more difficult. We cannot walk on the ground. Okay, that is also correct option. So time period of the simple pendulum on the earth would be decrease. So what is the formula of time period of simple pendulum? T equal to 2.2 square root of L by G. If suppose T value increases, what about the G? G will be decrease. So T is directly proportional to gravitational force. If gravitational force is increases, T value will decrease. So Option C is also correct. What about the fourth option? G on earth will not change. So on the earth surface, G value is changes or not? On the surface is one value when the object is moved in center of the earth, so gravity value will changes. So option D is wrong. So answer is option D. G value is changes on the earth. Next question from NEET 2017. The acceleration due to gravity at a height 1 kilometer above the earth. The acceleration due to gravity at a height that is 1 kilometer above the earth is the same as at depth below the surface of the earth. Both are equal. At height is 1 kilometer, that is equal to depth. Okay, acceleration due to gravity at a height 1 kilometer, that is equal to the depth of the center of earth. Okay, so what we are understanding here, at 1 kilometer height, G height is equal to G depth. So H equal to 1 kilometer. So what is the formula of GH? So GH formula is G into 1 minus 2H by R. Acceleration due to gravity at height, G equal to G into 1 minus 2H by R. So acceleration due to gravity on depth, its formula G into 1 minus D by R. These are the formulas. So here GG will get the cancel, and also denominator R is also gets the cancel. What about remaining values? 2 H equal to D. Here minus minus also gets the cancel. 1 also gets the cancel. Remaining values 2H equal to D. What is the H value? H equal to 1. So 2 into 1 into D. So D equal to 2 kilometer. Okay. At 1 kilometer of the height, acceleration due to gravity, that is equal to 2 kilometers depth acceleration due to gravity. Both are equal. At height equal to 1 kilometer, at depth 2 kilometers, acceleration due to gravity height, which is equal to acceleration due to gravity depth. At height 1 kilometer, at depth 2 kilometers, has both values are same. Okay, so answer depth equal to 2 kilometer. See the options. Option A 1 kilometer, option B 3 by 2 kilometer, option C 2 kilometer, option D 1 by 2 kilometer. So option C is correct, 2 kilometer. Next question from NEET 2016. A satellite of mass m is orbiting the earth at a height h from the surface. So here earth radius is capital R. The total energy of the satellite in terms of the G naught and the value of acceleration due to gravity at the earth surface. So here find the total energy of the satellite, that is in terms of G naught. Okay, where G naught is the acceleration due to gravity of the earth. So first of all, total energy formula. So total energy formula, T equal to, its formula is minus G capital M small m by 2 into R plus H. This is the total energy formula. We know that already relation capital G capital M equal to G R square. Okay. So in case of capital G into capital M, we can write G into R square. Here acceleration due to gravity is G naught. I am writing G naught into R square. In case of Gm, G naught R square. So substitute that value, minus Gm equal to G naught R square. So G naught R square into M by 2 into R plus H. That is the total energy formula. Okay, see the options. Minus G naught R square M by 2 into R plus H. So see the options. Minus 2 M into G naught R square by R plus S. Option A is minus 2 M G naught R square by R plus H. Option B, M G naught R square by 2 into R plus H. Option C, minus M G naught R square by 2 into R plus H. Option D is R M G naught R square by R plus H. Compare this formula. Total energy equal to minus G naught R square by M into 2 into R plus H. So option C is correct answer. So minus M G naught R square by 2 into R plus H. That is the answer. So next in video we are discussing some more problems.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.